This video is sponsored by Bayer and Walmart. Today, I'm sharing 10 new organization hacks that are going to save you time and money. So we're gonna start in my linen closet. If you guys are like me, you've probably neglected your linen closet. It has a hodgepodge of different things in there. So I'm gonna start by just purging everything, taking everything out.
What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back.
I had some really old shelf paper on the shelves in here that I wanted to update, so I went to Walmart, grabbed some new shelf paper that I'm gonna add onto each of the shelves. Now, I was lucky because my shelves actually came out, so I was able to put a shelf down on the paper, trace around it, and cut it out. Since all the shelves were the same size, I just cut out multiples to put on my shelves. Now I'm only gonna put things back into my linen closet that I actually wanna store. Some of the things I'm actually putting in other areas around my house and some I'm getting rid of. I'm gonna show you a few organization things you can use to organize your closet. I found this set of clear containers on walmart.com and I just love them. I love that they have a lid top, so if there's things that you wanna keep stored with a lid, you can do that. They're also stackable. These clear containers are so nice for my medicines because I love that they have a lid, but they're also clear so I can see exactly what's in there. Let me show you what I like to store in here. The Alka-Seltzer Plus Max Strength Power Max Gels Cold and Flu for day and night. They come in liquid gels. These are great for fever and body aches. If I have a cough or any nasal congestion, runny nose or sore throat, I love to use these. I also like to have on hand the Alka-Seltzer Plus Cold and Flu Power Fizz Citrus Effervescence tablets. These are great to have on hand as soon as you're feeling any sort of symptoms. When I get outdoor and indoor allergies, I use the Claritin 24-hour non-drowsy relief tablets to relieve sneezing, runny nose, and itchy throat. The one that I like to pick up is 10 milligram tablets, and I usually get the 70 count. I can just stack these up on top of each other and pull it out whenever I need any medicine. Now, if you love organization videos, make sure to hit that like button so I know to do more like it in the future. My next organization trick is wicker baskets. I know you're thinking, okay, I know wicker baskets, but they look so good in a linen closet. I found this set of 4 and I'm gonna use it and it's gonna make my linen closet look a million times better.
We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world.
And don't worry guys, I'll link all these products for you down in the description box.
Do it right now. You know we met for a reason, but you're trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather, we're heading for tonight. You better take what you can, cause the time is right now. We only need the two of us.
Now our next trick is using pretty jars when you organize. I started using these in my kitchen and pantry, but really you can use them anywhere around your house. I'm gonna use them in this linen closet and you're gonna see how gorgeous they look. We're gonna fill these containers up with extra bath salts and soaps that I like to use on a regular basis. linen closet turned out so good. I love that it's nice and organized now.
I need only you in this crazy world, 'cause we got love, love. I need only you here with me. I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now.
I post new videos on Mondays and Thursdays, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out. I have this problem with I never know exactly how to store my curling iron and hair dryer. I feel like the solutions I use just don't work out really well. Well, I found this new solution that I think is gonna be awesome. So if you have that same problem, try these out. So I found these clear plastic containers that are actually larger than what I normally would use. But because they're larger, the curling irons and your blow dryer just sit in here really nicely. So I put these underneath my sink and I can pull them out and they stay really organized. So I think this is a great solution for underneath your sink. Now, if you're not using Lazy Susans to organize your house, you're missing out. And I find that some of the best prices for these are at Walmart. I love using these in my pantry, but they're also great for your bathroom. You can use them to organize your skincare, hair care products. Really, the possibilities are endless. I feel like in all of my rooms, I have a bunch of extra pillows and blankets. So I like to have a basket or something to put those items in. So in my living room, I grabbed this rattan basket. It's by Better Homes and Gardens. It's gorgeous. This is gonna sit in my living room. I can throw extra throw blankets in it. If the kids wanna throw the pillows off the couch, we have a place to put them that's not on the ground. So this is the coolest organization hack to store trash bags under your sink. So I found this container. Again, I'll link them for you down in the description box, but it's a collapsible container. So what you need for this is to make sure you have a container that has a little opening on the front of it. So with this container, I'm just gonna pop it open. Then these little side pieces right here, I'm just gonna pull them down and lock them in place. I'm gonna grab my trash bags and just set them inside. Now, you're just going to take the end of your trash bags and feed it through the opening. Then I'll just place the lid on top. Now, look how organized this is. It can sit underneath your sink. You can stack things on top, and anytime you need a trash bag, you just pull it out. Just pull it off like that. How easy is that? And this is gonna look so nice underneath my sink. Now let me know if you guys can relate to this. So before, my pans in my cabinet were all over the place. I couldn't figure out how to stack them, and when someone took out one, they just kind of went all over the place. I found this pan organizer and it's really changed things for me in my cabinet. I just set it sideways. You can also set it like this, but my cabinet's not tall enough, so I set it sideways and I can put at least 4 pans in here. It works great. My family follows it. They know exactly where to put the pans after they've been washed. So if you have a crazy cabinet with pans everywhere, try this to organize them. You can also use this for lids as well. If you have a small pantry or maybe a small kitchen with not a lot of cabinets, this is the item you need. This doesn't require any screws, anything to hold it on. All you have to do is slide this basket into your pantry on your cabinetry, and it creates a whole nother shelf. It actually like doubles up your shelf space. I have several of these that I put all throughout my pantry. I have some out in my laundry room. These are awesome. I've been using them for years. Now you guys know, if you've seen any of my fridge organization videos, I love a good container to go in the fridge or the pantry. These are awesome. They're clear acrylic. I love that they have a handle so you can easily pull them in and out. This is great for like quick on the go items that you need to get to quickly, and you can really put anything in there, and because they're clear, everyone in your house can see what's in the container. Totally recommend clear containers for the pantry and fridge. Let me know in the comments which organization trick you're gonna try, and I'll talk to you guys in our next one. Bye.